be clear again. $400. Body, one slice of whole cheese. After that, crown, and then the one is, and then the first one, cover it. The second layer again, fold side by side, and the last part, put in the, okay, salt, 1 teaspoon, okay. After that, maybe 1 minute or more than 2 minutes, flip. The color like this, standard, golden brown. Another minute. This kind of burger, the name mushroom burger. Okay. Mushroom burger is contained by mushroom, heavy cream, salt, black pepper, and then 6 pieces of whole cheese. Okay. Make sure in the lower part is cooked. See light color in the top, no? In the top. Okay, transfer in the other piece. Please subscribe my mushroom burger. Just follow my link and share it. Thank you. Adi.